With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi students, we have a question here. Write the IUPAC name for the following compound. We have multiple compounds in a single question. That's why we have to write the individual compounds. Yeah, the first compound is CH3, CH, CH, CH3, OH, CH3, CH3, CH3. So it is the compound. We have to write the IUPAC name of this compound. So in this compound, we have the functional group here. Alcohol functional group is there. So the functional group rule is the rule that the carbon which contains functional group must be numbered with a least number. So according to the rule, we have to given the numbering for the compound. So first we have to select the longest carbon chain. So longest carbon chain, here we have 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the longest carbon chain here. So if we write the name of the compound, first we have to write the substituent, that is secondary prefix. So we have methyl groups here. 1, 2, 3 methyl groups. These are the substituents. So they are at the positions of 2 and 4. 4. We have 3 methyl groups. That's why we have trimethyl. Next, this is the secondary prefix. Since we have the root word. The root word is pent here because of 5 carbons. And we have a functional group. That's why it is pentane 3-ol. So AN represents all our single bonds. That is the primary suffix, and ol represents secondary suffix because of this functional group. So the name of the compound is 2,4,4 trimethyl pentane 3-ol. The next compound is C2H5 here. That's why it is CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3, OH, OH group here. And also 4th carbon. Normally carbons we have 7. This is the second compound that we have in the picture. So it is also having the functional group. 2 OH groups of the functional group. We have to select the longest carbon chain. From this side, I have given the numbers because the functional group containing carbon must have the least numbers. So in the compound, then it is the substituent because it is not considered in the chain. So that is called secondary prefix. That is ethyl. So 5-ethyl. Next we have the root word, that is hept. All are single bonds. So AN 2, 4. That is AN 2, 4. Di 2 hydroxy group alcoholic groups. That's right, diol. The name of the compound is triethyl heptane 2,4-diol. Next, third compound is CH3 CHOH CH3. This is the compound. We have to give the numbering from either side because we have only 4 carbons. So the name of the compound is butane 2 3 diol. 2 OH groups, 2 alcoholic groups. That's why it is a diol. And next we have the fourth compound, that is triol. It is a triol. We have OH group here. And the terminal carbon also have the OH groups. 3 carbons. 3 carbons. We have only 3 carbons here. Yes, this is the correct one. So this is the compound triol. So the numbering can be given like this. So it is propane 1, 2, 3 triol. So 3 OH groups, that's why it is known as triol. Next we have the aromatic compound. That is phenolic group is there. This is the compound that we have OH, and CH3 group is at the para position. Yeah. So the benzene have 2 substituents, OH group and CH3. OH group is considered as the functional group. That's why priority is given to this, that is the phenolic group. So it is the phenolic group. That's why the name of the compound is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 4-methyl phenol. Next we have the compound that is dual alkyl groups. We have one OH group. Yeah. So that is the compound. So functional group rule, according to functional group rule, priority is given to this functional group. And we have to move in this direction because the substitution, next substitution must have the least number. If you go in this direction, we have the carbon that is having the number 3. But if you move in this direction, we get the number 2. That's why it is the correct one. The name of the compound is 2,5-dimethyl phenol. Next we have the compound that is ethers. Next we have ethers. So ethers, the first compound is that is CH3 or CH2. Yeah. So CH2, CH3, and also CH3 here. So ethers can be named in a way that first we have to select the longest carbon chain. So I have the longest carbon chain, that is, this is my longest carbon chain. So ethers can be given in the name pattern of alkenes. So the carbon chain which has many carbons is treated as alkane. The remaining part is an alkoxy group. So if you see, the major portion here is 3 carbons. That's why it is treated as alkane. So the name of the compound is, so let's give the name from the ethereal oxygen. So it is 2-methyl sorry, it is like, yeah, it is the carbon chain, and we have, yeah, 1-methoxy, because it is the methoxy group, 1-methoxy, 2-methyl propane. So it is 1, it is 2, it is 3. So 1-methoxy means this is treated as an alkoxy group, and remaining is alkane. But in the alkane we have the substituent, that is methyl group. So 1-methoxy, 2-methyl propane is the name of the compound. Next we compound, that is so this is the next compound for the nomenclature. In the same way, it is also unsymmetrical ether. That's why we have to select the longest carbon chain. It is my longest carbon chain, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the name of the compound is, second carbon has ethoxy group, so 2-ethoxy. So it is 2 carbons. It has 2 carbons. That's why it is ethoxy, 2-ethoxy butane. 4 carbons containing chain. That's why it is treated as butane. 2-ethoxy butane is the name. So here it is the alkyl group and it is the alkoxy group. So it is phenoxy ethane is the name of the compound. Thank you. The next compound is having the longest carbon chain, having 7 carbons, and the phenoxy group. That's why it is also phenoxy, 7 carbons. That's why it is heptane, phenoxyheptane, or it can be written as 1-phenoxyheptane because it is taken as 1 here. So it is 1-phenoxyheptane is also the correct option.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.